Baik, itu berhubung misteri kehilangan MH370. Tapi samping itu, satu kempen Reben Biru telah dilancarkan sebagai simbolik harapan rakyat Malaysia terhadap pesawat yang hilang ini. Kempen anjuran badan bukan kerajaan Uniti itu akan mengedarkan 7,000 Reben Biru kepada rakyat di sekitar Kuala Lumpur. Kempen Tie a Blue Ribbon for MH370 dilancarkan Menteri di Jabatan Perdana Menteri Tan Sri Joseph Kurup pada 17 Mac lalu. Pengedaran Reben Biru dengan tulisan Pray for MH370 crew, passengers and families diharap dapat mengingatkan rakyat untuk terus menitipkan doa.
Well, the idea that struck me was that, I remembered that, there was this yellow ribbon campaign that was done by the US, which probably popularized that song called Tie a Yellow Ribbon Round Old Oak Tree. It's a very old song, but that was during the Vietnam War, I believe, where they tied a yellow ribbon to symbolize hope and waiting for their loved ones to come back from the war. And it was a symbolism of hope. So using that same principle, so I say, why not we start a blue ribbon campaign, and that becomes a symbolism of our hope, Malaysian hope for MH370.
Selain pelancaran kempen tersebut, satu upacara keagamaan turut diadakan dengan anjuran sama Persatuan Belia Kristian Malaysia dan dihadiri lebih 100 penganutnya.